In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into eBay. We'll keep things simple, clear, and secure so you can access your account with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to https signinebay.com. Always confirm that the address begins with https and that you see the lock icon in the address bar. This indicates a secure connection and helps ensure you're on the legitimate eBay site. If you happen to land on the eBay homepage first, look to the top right corner for the sign-in link. That takes you to the same place. On the sign-in page, you'll see a field for your username or the email address linked to your eBay account. Type it carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after. If you're entering an email, double-check the spelling and punctuation. Next, enter your password in the password field. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't unintentionally on. If you use a password manager, letting it fill in your details can reduce typos. You'll also see an option labeled Stay Signed In. This can save you time by keeping you logged in on that browser. Only select this on a personal, trusted device that you control. If you're on a shared or public computer, leave it unchecked to protect your account. When in doubt, it's safer to sign in each time. At times, eBay may ask you to complete a quick verification step. This is a normal security check, especially if you're signing in from a new device, a different network, or after clearing cookies. eBay might send a short code to your email or phone. Open the message, then enter the code exactly as shown. These codes usually expire quickly, so use it right away. If it doesn't arrive immediately, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder. This step helps confirm that it's really you. Once your information is in and any verification is done, click the Sign In button. So if everything is correct, you'll be taken to your eBay homepage or the My eBay dashboard, where you can view your purchases, watch list, bids, and account settings. If you see an error or remain on the sign-in page, recheck your email or username and password for typos, paying close attention to capitalization. That's it. Navigate to the secure sign-in page, enter your details, complete any verification, and you're in. As a final tip, always sign out on shared devices and keep that Stay Signed In option off outside your own computer or phone.